All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, everything from stuff like mining the coin to staking the coin, using the drip network to get 1% back, power nodes, strong nodes, all kinds of good stuff about cryptocurrency. Well, today we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars, and it's down a good amount of bit. So we're going to go to that. This could be a good discount buy. Is Dogelon dead? So is crypto dead? Is Dogelon dead? I mean, the market's down tremendously right now. I know if you're looking at your phone and you're looking at your where your numbers are, you're not happy right this second. But we do know, we've said before, to strap in with cryptocurrency, because 1 minute it can go up 100%, down 100% the next day, to the left and to the right. So now we're all getting tested of what cryptocurrency is all about. We've talked about this for months, that you have to have strong will on this one, because it goes up like this and comes down like that. Dogelon, you're going to see, this token is down tremendously in the last 7 days. Now, on the one aspect, this could, you're sad, I get it. But this could be a good discount buy. It could be a repositioning your pricing. And if you haven't got into Dogelon ever, this may be the best time in your life to get into Dogelon Mars. Also, we're going to talk about the global taxation of cryptocurrency. There's been all kinds of different countries that are taxing differently. We got a little article we're going to go to just to kind of skim it, to talk about the global taxation of cryptocurrency. Now, you know what? It is going to happen. I mean, you have to pay taxes on everything you do, so you're going to have to pay taxes on crypto. I don't think this is a bad thing, getting taxed on crypto, because it's just like getting taxed on stock, in my opinion. So with that, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day, even own some cryptocurrency. If you own Dogelon and you're looking at it today, you may be a little sad. With that, let's head over to Dogelon Mars. All right, over here at Dogelon Mars, 122. I can honestly say I've never seen this before. It's down 40% in the last 7 days. 40%. In just the last 24 hours today, the coin is down 25%. Now, if you believe that this token is going to bounce back up, this is the discount. Ding, 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 ding. This is the discount buy you're looking for. When do you see tokens down 25 to 40%? 25% in just the last 24 hours, but 40% in the last 7 days. Clicking it. All right, over here to the right, you see it's down 25%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 78.73. We'll come back to our price prediction at the end of the video, but let's check out the last 7 days here. So in the last 24 hours, take a look at the chart. It seems to be dropping. Let's look at the last 7 days. Yeah, it kind of, right here, let me move this up. Over here, it was pretty, it was at 12, and then all of a sudden, it just kind of came down. Now, is this a Dogelon Mars thing? I mean, not really, because if we look at the market, everything was down. We did a thing the other day that was 70-some tokens were all down. So this is not just a Dogelon Mars. I mean, I know some people want me to call it Dogelon Mars. But in our case, this could be a good discount buy. Going to the website. Well, in fact, going to the holders first. Holders, click in the 3 months. All right, this is a good indication. I know that coin is down, but this is a good indication of what's happened in the last 90 days. Not that's what's happened in the last 2 days, what's happened in the last 90 days. 90 days ago, we had about 79,000 people holding the Dogelon, almost 80,000. Today, we have 126,000. That's 46,000 more people holding the token. That's about a 50% increase. Now, Dogelon did get a new list. They got listed on CoinEX. Let's go to that. Right here on just a few days ago on the Twitter account, CoinEX Global is now listing Elon on the 17th. This was like a couple of days ago. Dogelon Mars plays several popular themes in meme coin space. So one, you can do the trading pairs Elon/ESDT. Deposits and withdrawals are now open for about a few days, and you can start trading. So right here, CoinEX, Elon is online. So that's pretty good. Now, why do I like that? Anytime coins get listed on new platforms, the people that are using that platform is like, oh, I can get Dogelon Mars now. Oh, I can get Elon now. It's pretty nice because if they use that platform all the time, that's where they want to keep their cryptocurrency. I also like this on the Twitter account. Our Twitter followers have increased, so does the number of the galactic citizens who hold the currency for the future. Remember, what is the currency for? Dogelon Mars is for intergalactic travel. So when we travel to Mars, you're going to have to pay for your space trip in Dogelon for intergalactic travel. So it says right here, the citizens who hold the currency of the future. And so to grow the future population of Mars. Thanks. They say that they got 500,000 people following them on Twitter. Holy cow, everybody, that's fantastic. 500,000 followers, take a look at that. So Elon and Dogelon may be down right this second. Oh, wait, the whole crypto market's down right this second. Over here on looking at the Coin EX, we'll list Elon on the 17th. Dear Coin EX users, to provide you with more trading options and our rigorous reviews, Coin EX has listed Elon and supports the deposits and withdrawals and the AMM starting just a few days ago. Trading pairs are open, so now you can deposit and withdraw and do things with Elon on CoinEx. Pretty good thing. They go into a whole article here, what Elon's all about, the billionaire entrepreneur who basically likes to tweet about it, so all kinds of good stuff there. All right, so Dogelon Mars, 40% down. I don't think I've ever said that. So if you're looking to get in position, right now could be a good time. If you've never been in Dogelon, if you have Dogelon, I know you're real sad right this second, depending on how much you have, but we do know crypto is like this. So these are one of these days, maybe we don't look at our phone because we need it to bounce back up. Okay, so what's going on with different governments and the taxation of cryptocurrency? We want to check this out a little bit. Again, I think it's a good thing that different governments are trying to figure out their taxation. Let's check it out. So I'm on a crypto.com weekly report. So this is kind of talking about what's going on. There's a lot of things going on here if you take a look at this. Singapore is shutting down Bitcoin ATMs as a step to curb the crypto ads. Additionally, both the UK government and the Spanish governments are implementing new rules for crypto ads. The US government is to address the cryptocurrency on January 20th. That was just a few days ago. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff going on here. 70% of Jamaican population to adopt the CBDC in 5 years, Prime Minister says. So 70% of Jamaica population is going to adopt. Now right here, this is the global crypto policies over the last 3 months. So taking a look at this. So kind of like looking at this right here. Germany, crypto.com now offering a free crypto.com tax calculation in Germany. So, and it says worldwide, it's a 4.49% and ranks 4th. The U.S. Coinbase, PayPal joins TaxBit network for free crypto tax forms. Looks like there's a 24% tax on that. So, looking at this, Singapore, there's no tax as of right this second. South Africa is trying to do 18 to 45%. Right up here is the tax rate. Australia is 19 to 45%. Brazil, they're classifying it as assets. It's also going to be the type of tax is capital gain tax, 15%. Canada is going to be roughly between 15 to 33%. It's also going to be categorized as an asset and a progressive income tax. If you're in Hong Kong, nothing as of yet. In China, the mainland, they're saying that the taxes could be anywhere from 3 to 45%. Look at France. They're considering it property, and they're going to consider a capital gain tax, so there's going to be a tax on it of 30 to 45%. Germany considers it private money, so it could be anywhere from 0 to 45%. Israel, digital assets, they consider it, and they're going to be anywhere from 10 to 50% or 17%. Japan is considering it property, and it's about 8%. So Netherlands, they're going to have an income tax of about 30%. I mean, I can go on and on. I'm just sharing this with you that the different countries around the world are starting to adopt the cryptocurrency. And adopting is saying as they're trying to figure out the taxation, how they're going to tax everything. So pretty good interested stuff. U.S. down here, it says property. It could be capital gains tax at 0 to 20%, or it could be progressive income tax at 10 to 37%. So just sharing that, a little bit of taxation, different countries. As this is going forward, you're seeing more and more countries adopting this. Again, putting taxation rules in place is not a bad thing. It's trying to get everything structured. It's by having a structure of things that makes it run a little bit more easily. All right, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Again, we want everybody to learn about cryptocurrency, understand that cryptocurrency, and paying taxes, that's going to be a part of it, just like stocks. If you're making money with stocks and you had so much profit for the year and you took it out, you're going to have to basically report that you're paying so much in taxes. Let's head back over to Dogelon Mars, or Dogelon Mars for some people. Let's do a little price prediction. Check out that website. All right, over here, Dogelon Mars, or Dogelon Mars. Right here it says, I am Dogelon Mars. Join me and together we'll reach the stars. I like the website. This is a brand new website, maybe a month old. They did a facelift on it. And down here at the bottom of the first page there's 6 places you can buy Dogelon. Crypto.com, Uniswap, KuCoins, Huobi, Gemini, and OKEX. So if you want to buy Dogelon today, you just go, click the crypto.com, takes you right to the platform. You log into your account and you buy it. It's pretty simple. Right now they have the Twitter account over 300,000, but we just saw that it went over 500,000. So they haven't updated their website. They will. They have a comic saga begin. So if you want to hear their roadmap, this is kind of their roadmap. Go through the comics. It kind of tells you what's going on. Dogelon Mars is ranked 122 right now. Market cap of 440.49 M. All right, back over here at Coin Market Cap, down 26%. I mean, here's my price prediction. It's going to bounce back up 26% within the next, 1 to 5 to 7 to 10 weeks here. The coins go up and down. I believe it's going to rebounce back to where it was. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. We're going to crush one of those zeros and get back down to 5. All our information is for educational purposes only. This is a smorgasbord. I'm just going to stay right here for a second. Look at this. Dogelon down 40%. Right above it down 30%. Gate token down 20%. Litecoin down 35%. Audius down 40%. This is a time that if you want to reposition and get yourself, so Salvador calls it buying the dip. They like to buy the dip. They like to reposition. Right now, there's 2 ways to look at the coin. Flip the coin. Right now, everybody's sad that everything is down tremendously. So that's very sad. On the other side of the coin, if you never got into this project, what a great time to end her at 40% less, 35% less. If you just got in a little bit and you want to reposition your average cost of your cryptocurrency, this is a great time to do your average cost. If you're a long-term investor and you're investing this for a year to 3 years, this is just one day in the whole scheme of things. Don't forget that. All right, everybody, we bring you a video every day, Monday through Fridays at noon. Our bonus videos are around 5 or 8 o'clock. On Saturdays and Sundays, we like to bring you a video around 3 to 4 as on a weekend. Sometimes it may be a little bit earlier. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Hey, everybody, stay strong. Crypto's down right now. In 3 or 4 days, we know it'll be bouncing back up. It does that roller coaster. So Frank's from Frank's Crypto Corner, bringing you all kinds of news about cryptocurrency. Have a fantastic Saturday today.